In this tutorial, I will show you how you can use implode function in PHP script. Implode function works on array variables, and in PHP there is another function like implode function, that is join. I will explain the use of join in my another tutorial. So in today's tutorial, I will show you how many ways you can use implode function in PHP. By using implode function, you can combine all the values of any numeric or associative array. First of all, I will explain the syntax of implode function. Implode function returns string data after combining the array values, and it can take one argument or two argument. When you use two argument, then it will use the first parameter as the delimiter of combining the string, and second parameter will be an array. And when you use one argument, then only array variable will be used as an argument. So first I will explain the example 1. Use of implode function without any delimiter. That means using implode with one argument. So I will copy the script in any editor. Here I am using Visual Code Editor. Here an array of colors variable is declared here, which contains 6 color values, and when I use implode function with the array variable only, then it will combine these all values without any delimiter, that means empty string. And, first of all, I have to save the script. I will create a folder to keep the script files. And the script name is employed1.php. Okay, now I can run the script from the web server. So here you can see the output. All the array values are combined and printed. Now I will go for the next example. Example 2. Use of employed function with space delimiter. In the previous example, no space is added between the element values. If you want to add space to separate the array elements before printing, then you can use the delimiter, and here space is used as a delimiter. So I will create a new file from here and keep the file name as employed2.php. Okay, now I will copy the script here. And it is a numeric array, and all the data is numeric, and here space is used to combine the values with space delimiter. You have to save the script first. Save, and now you can run the script from the browser. Here you can see the output, and space is added between each element. Now go for the example 3, use of employed function with comma delimiter. And it works similar like the numeric array or previous example, just comma will be used to combine the array values. Again, I will save this and create another file, implode 3.php, and now I will add the new code. And comma is useful to use as a delimiter when space is contained in the array value. If I use a space as a delimiter for this array, then elements will be splitted for the space. So this type of array values, you can use the comma as a delimiter to combine the array values and return the string. So I will save the script and run it from the server. Here you can see comma is used to combine the array values and create the joining string. Now I'll go for the next example, use of implode function in two-dimensional array. So this is our two-dimensional array example, and I will create another script for it, implode 4, and I will add the script here. Okay, I will save it, and you can see it when I using the implode function here. Break tag is used as a delimiter. That means each element will be printed in each line. So after saving the script, I will run it from the browser. You can see each values are printed with a new line for the break tag. Okay, now we'll go for the example 5, use of implode function with a word delimiter. In the previous 4 example, I have used a single character as a delimiter or a break tag. But here, a word will be used as a delimiter. So I will create the script file first and then explain. It will be implode 5. And now I will add the script. It is an array of string values, and here the delimiter is space and space. This will use for joining the array values. So I will save the script and run it from the server. Implode 5. Here you can see and with space is added between each array values. So in this way, you can use any word or multiple word as delimiter for combining the array values. So this is all about this tutorial, and opposite of implode function is exploit function that I will explain in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching.